Hey everybody, I'm so glad that you made it to this video today. Today, you're going to learn how to clean your email list as you upload bulk emails into Go High Level. How to go ahead and clean those bounces and clean those unsubscribes out. Go ahead, give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave me a comment and tell me how you like this video. Okay, everybody, here we are over on my Go High Level account. What I'm going to do to clean this list first is just imagine that I have uploaded a fresh list, which I actually did yesterday, of a list full of life coaches. I've uploaded a fresh list and I'm going to send out an initial email just to make sure that all of these people want to receive my emails and that all of these people are good with me re-engaging them. So let's go over here to the list. We're going to find what we hope for is that the people that don't want to be on the list will unsubscribe. We hope that they will show up as a bounce so that we can remove them. So this is what we'll do to find those things out. First is we will isolate the list. So I have the life coaches tagged under the life coach tag. And so I blocked out the email addresses. But let me go ahead. There are 218 of them right here, 218 life coaches. So I'm going to select them all. I'm going to click select them all. And I'm going to click this button right here to send them all an email. This is how I begin to clean this list. I'm going to click right here to OK and proceed. And what I would do is create my email. Put my name here, my email, my subject, write my email right here, then give it a name down here, give it a name, a description of what I'm actually doing, and I would send that email. And let me show you what would happen once I send that email. I would come up here maybe the next day and click bulk reactions. And here it is right here. I actually sent this email yesterday. And I'm coming over to bulk reactions and I'm going to slide all the way down this list to show stats. And it's going to show me the stats. So I'm going to be able to see how many were sent, how many emails were sent, how many opens, how many bounces, how many unsubscribes, all of that. So I'm going to click right there. And now I can see right here at the bottom how many were attempted, how many were delivered, how many opens, how many clicks, and look at here, how many bounces. That's what I'm looking for. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come to the top and click bounced. That's going to bring me a detailed list of the people that actually bounced. Now what I'm going to do is write down the names. I'm going to write down those names because what I'm going to do is go back and tag those people as bounced. Then I'm going to bulk remove them. Once I do that, I can put them in my main overall list. But I'm going to leave out of here and I'm going to go back to my smart list. Going to click smart list and go back. Now I'm going to pull up each and every one of these, and I hope I'm going to pull up each and every one of these people. Here is one. I'm going to add tag to this person, and I'm going to add the tag that I have created prior, bounced or unsubscribed removal. This is what I'm going to tag this person, bounced or unsubscribed removal, action, remove from the list. That's going to be the action. And let me copy that because I'm gonna have to do this 6 times. Add. All right. That's one person. The next one. Here is the next person right here. I'm going to highlight him. I'm going to hit add tag. And I am going to go down to bounced and unsubscribed removal. I am also going to paste my remove from the list message right there so that I know what I was doing with this person. And I'm going to click add. I'm adding him to the tag. Now I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to go to the next person. I'm going to click add tag. I'm going to click bounce or unsubscribe. I'm going to put my message in there and I'm going to add that person to the tag list. Here is the last person right here. And so what I'm going to do, remember, I'm going to click add tag. I'm going to highlight him, click add tag, come down to bounced and unsubscribed removal. I am going to paste my little message in here and I am going to click add. Now, this is all I have to do now. Let's remove that. And now all I'm going to do in my search bar is I'm going to type bounce. And those people, I missed one. Those people should pop up. So here they are right here. Well, actually, I'll just show you this. So as you can see, here are my people right here. I've got one more I missed, but I'm going to go back and get that person. But for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and remove these people. So I highlighted all of these people and I'm going to click the trash bucket. Here is my trash bucket. It's going to ask me if I want to confirm, and I'm going to click confirm so I can remove these people. Now let me show you something. As you can see, these people were added yesterday. Yes, 1 day ago. I am cleaning this list that I uploaded. This is the easy way to do it. Every time you add a bulk list of people to your email list, you can do this and keep your list clean. So I've highlighted them. I am going to click the trash can so I can remove them. And I'm going to, when the drop down comes down, I'm going to click confirm. And as you can see, voila, they are removed. So listen, this is Tony Bailey. I thank you for being here. Go ahead, join me in Go High Level. My link is in the description along with some other amazing tools. Let me know in the comments if you've liked this video. Like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on the next one.